सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Digividya. In today we are going to learn how to create a social media banner using Adobe Illustrator. So today class basically for social media designing. So I want to create a new artboard. My size is 1820 into 312 and I press create. I make this social media banner for Facebook. So here is 1820 and 312. So here is my artboard. So today we are going to make a social media banner designing. I make a rectangle. I want to make 3 rectangle here. So I press Alt and Shift for copy. So here I make 3 equal rectangle, right? Then I go to direct selection tool and select all the top anchor points, and pressing shift I just slide them, skew them, and now press Ctrl R for ruler. Neither you go to view, and here is ruler. So I just drag the guideline to guide my text. Basically I use this guideline as a margin, right? Basically I insert image inside here, so I want to import some images. So therefore I go to file and place some images. So here I import 3 images and I select all the images and scale down the size. Right now I want to put these images inside the rectangle. So here I go, right click on the image and arrange and send it to back this image, and I adjust this image pressing shift key. Okay, then I select the images and the rectangle. I select the both object and go to object menu, and here is the option is clipping mask. Then I press on make, so my image is clipped with the rectangle. So I doing the same thing with these 2 rectangles. Fine. So after clip all the images, I want to write my content here. I just go to text tool and I want to write down some text here, and I want to change the font face into geometry. Then I want to write down, this is my header 1. Fine. I change the font face into signature. I just rotate this font. Fine. Then I want some icons here, so I go for Windows, symbols, and some web icons I need an www and an phone number. I select both of them, go to object and expand them and press OK, and I just scale down these tools and select these tools, and I just place these tools here. Select all the 4 layer and I just align them. The next thing is I just make a rectangle here, and for fill color is none, and I go to character palette and I need space between characters, and now I want to change my color. So I select spatial and cell to maroon color, dark maroon, and select the arrival. I want to change into dynamic color. So my color combination will be maroon and denim, and I select all these and change the color into dynamic color. And I select the rectangle and font face. The last step is I want to name the logo. Go to character palette and set the tracking into 0 and go to Roboto font. I need thin. Then I want to make another banner, so therefore I go to artboard tool and I want to create a new one, and then go to artboard tool. Here is my artboard tool. I just drag this artboard tool to bottom of my artboard 1. So here is my same artboard. So here is my second artboard. Then I make guideline here, and I just make a rectangle here also. So I make 1 and copy this artboard. Alright, then I go to the art selection tool. I select top of anchor point and I just queue them. And right now I want to import some images, so I go to file and place. I need place some images, so I go to desktop. So here is my sum of images here. So here is my 2 images. I just select these 2 images and scale down, arrange, and to back, and you can set your image according to your, right. I select both images and the rectangle, go to object and clip mask them. So here also I doing the same things, right click, arrange, send to back, and set the images according to you. Fine, and select images and rectangle and the object, clip mask, make. Simple. Then what I do, I select all the objects and just copy paste here. Fine. Now I want to change the color and select the some more cell, select all the images, I just drag the logo, right click on it, arrange, bring into front, and just place top left corner. So here is my social media banner design. So guys, if you like my design, so please like and subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.